Look at this blackberry.
Almost. Give
Oh
it
my
another
gosh.
day.
Another day. Jerry,
A little bit
a
red.
lot of blackberries
Look at this
today.
one. It's red
Look
still.
at
Don't pull it.
this.
Don't pick it till tomorrow.
Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. I came out here to get some herbs and realized we got some blackberries to be picking. So I'm making Julie's beans, brown and black rice bowls tonight with 2 sheet pans of the broiled Trinity. And I can't wait to show you what the plant diversity, the ingredient diversity, the flavor building with that broiled Trinity in these rice bowls and how it just takes it next level. I've got some chives. Oh my gosh, I've got a lot of herbs out here and a lot of flowers naturally planted by God. They just came back year after year. I've got black bumblebees buzzing around like crazy. I'm gonna grab some parsley. There's no reason you can't use all your herbs in your rice bowls. They're just gonna add layers of flavor and protection, and all herbs go together. I got basil, and my friend Terry came over today to pick some dill to go in her pickles.
What the dill?
What the dill? And I just have to remember where the dill is. I've got my first red ripe Roma tomato. Picking it on camera. What a beauty. Okay, where is the dill? Here it is. I have to show you this dill. When you plant dill from seed in your garden, just scatter it around. Come in here, Jerry. Take a look at my baby dill fronds. One of the important things is as it starts to heat up, you've got to harvest your herbs or else they will bolt and go to seed. That's their goal. That's their job. So use the dill. Use it up. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's ready for the pickles, and man, the cucumbers are coming on. One more quick peek at something back here, you guys. I'm so excited. It's getting kind of dark out, but look at my grapevines. Oh my gosh, glorious grapes. They are abundant this year. Oh, wow, yum.
Oh my gosh.
And look at all my black-eyed Susans. They're everywhere.
Look at all my blackberries.
Jerry,
I'm
so great.
Oh, look at that. I gotta do some picking, Julie Marie.
Oh my gosh, they're so gorgeous. Look at this.
Yeah, it's
They're
important.
everywhere. This vine was started 4.5 years ago by the Allens. They gave us a cutting from their vine and it just flourished.
Took off.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Now we share them with everybody we know. All right, you guys, let's get inside and get this feast plated.
Woohoo!
Already did my scale games. I'm feeling high as ever.
Great.
Oh my gosh, so energized with my day fasting.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and these are Jerusalem artichokes, and they're just starting to flower up. Show them these, Jerry.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh, this is going to be just sunflower heaven. And underneath are the sunchokes or Jerusalem artichokes that we use like you'd use water chestnuts. I love them raw. Oh, they're delicious.
Yay!
She can run. Half brain. Half brain can run.
That's right.
It's hard to believe. I can't wait to explain all the details in class on Tuesday. Oh my gosh. It's a miracle. I've delivered all these challenges for a reason. They got me to where I am today, and I'm so grateful. Tuber Tonic Plus. You know I'm drinking protectively and feeling fantastic because of it. Make the effort. It's so worth it. Stay hydrated, day fasters. Your day will be thrilling. It will feel good, I promise. By the 4th day, oh my gosh, you're gonna be as high as can be and focused and energetic, I promise. Check out my new dishwasher. I can't wait. One day it goes in. We're still under construction here. It looks kind of rough, those shelves, but wait till you see them finished. I'm so excited. Today I made some fermented hot sauce with hot peppers from my friend Mike's garden, and I made a bowl. Oh my gosh. And look at my tomatoes. Oh my gosh. I want to show you this. This is brown and black rice cooked with broth mix in the Instant Pot. And then my second Instant Pot bowl, I cooked this one first with 2 cups of Julie's beans. And here I have 2 shape pans that I cooked under the broiler in my Breville. You could do it under your regular conventional oven. And I want to show you what I have on here. This is the Broiled Trinity Gone Wild, seasonal. I've got corn cut off the cob from my friend Mac's garden, red onion from Azure Standard, green peppers from the garden, yellow peppers from my friends at church that brought me all of this beautiful organic produce, and as a get well soon, and organic cauliflower, sliced it off, frozen cranberries, and a zucchini, and a whole entire lemon diced. And I put it under, following the Broiled Trinity directions, one pan after the next, and these are just room temperature now. And then in this bowl, I squeezed a couple limes, and I have some raw red onion, Jerry's favorite. And in goes all of this good stuff. So what I'm making here is like a relish, and you could eat this with some 45-minute corn tortillas that you made.
45 second.
Oh yeah, 45 second. I always make it into something bigger than it really is. But anyway, so put all of your Broiled Trinity in there. I did 2 sheet pans because I have so much veg. Okay, everybody in. Toss, toss, toss. This is just giving you different ideas of what you can use in that Broiled Trinity recipe, because I want you taking advantage of the opportunity to add more plant fibers, variety into your diet, make your food more exciting. So here's my brown and black rice. You could just use brown rice, season it up with the broth mix. It's the seasoned brown rice. And to this, I'm adding Julie's beans. This is going to make the most amazing rice bowl. You could toss all of this straight into here or garnish it on top, depending on what you and your family likes. Jerry and I like add in, we like sprinkled on top, we like it all around. And then here I have all the herbs I got from the garden. Those you could put into here. That would be fantastic if you're scooping it up with tortilla chips, or maybe you're filling pita bread. Oh my gosh, our pita pocket bread. Give it a try. So into the Julie's beans and rice, I've opted to add some of this relish. Jerry, if you can peek in there, it's so beautiful. The colors, the protection. Oh my gosh, all the layers of protection, the herbs. Those frozen cranberries, get them in your freezer and make them in that Broiled Trinity. Dice up a lemon. We have an upcoming recipe that uses this Broiled Trinity for creamy white beans and spinach that you are going to love. Jerry, he's excited. What time is it, Jerry? It's getting late.
9:30.
9:30.
On a Friday night.
On a Friday night, 2 protective dieters. And we are celebrating the protection in this meal. As I plate this and as we sit down to eat it, I dissect it and talk to Jerry about it, so we see the power, we see the protection we were served by God in nature, and we feel empowered. So, before I plate that on there, you know how I like to veg it up. Here's my shredded romaine. I'm going to plate one to save you guys time from having to watch all of this goodness go onto my rice bowl. This is how I do it. And then, whoop, oh my gosh, these new counters are a dream, but I still don't have plumbing. I still don't have my stovetop wired up. I have no oven. So I'm cooking outside, I'm cooking inside, I'm making it happen. I have some pickled jalapenos here. You know, I gotta spice it up. These Julie's beans are kind of spicy too. And then I'm adding more veg, my relish. Oh, and this is dressed with lime. Oh, so deliciously. And my cruciferous vegetables, my protective herbs. And then you know what goes on top of there. Only always. Jerry's plant-based yogurt. Oh my gosh, Jerry. Thank you for always keeping me swimming in yogurt.
That's right.
Oh my gosh, it's my sour cream on everything savory. It's my protective on everything. And then I have this garden tomato. I'm fortunate enough to have these. Look at this. Oh, it's unbelievable.
Wow.
So I'm going to dice these up and add some tomatoes on top. And then I took a cucumber and I cut it into wedges. And those are going on the side for some raw crunch, as if I didn't have enough going on. And then here's some supplemental starch. Jerry loves sweet potatoes.
Love sweet potatoes.
And we were brought so many beautiful protective gifts from friends, and
From
they
our
brought
church.
us some of these Japanese sweet potatoes and these garnet sweet potatoes. Yes, Julie and Edna, thank you so much. We've been enjoying everything you've shared with us. And these I put in the Instant Pot for 10 minutes with a cup of water in a rack. And then I threw them on the grill, or you could throw them in your Breville on air fry. And that gives this nice caramelized crispy skin. And all I'm doing with these sweet potatoes is cutting them open. Just like this. Oh, so beautiful. And just like Jerry likes them, with a little bit of salt, makes everything delicious, and a little bit of pepper, and maybe a little bit of probiotic pepper sauce, some fermented hot sauce, and don't forget the sauerkraut. Wow. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to give you this peek in tonight, and I'm thrilled to be on my 11th day since my surgery. Is that correct, Jerry?
Yeah.
I can't even believe it. They had plans for me to be going to the rehab floor, and I left on the 3rd day. It's a miracle. It's hard to believe, but I credit it all to how I've been living and making every day count to my advantage, to Jerry's advantage, hopefully to all of your advantages. Oh my gosh, we are so blessed to know the protection in this diet and lifestyle. I can't wait to see you in the classroom on Tuesday, where we spill all the beans and tell you all the details and all the research we found out, confirming everything I've been doing was perfection. To have me before you today, fully operational, with half a brain. That's my new nickname, and I'll take it because it reminds me of all we can overcome when we make the life within us healthy, when we promote the life within and all around us. That's what I did with a terminal cancer diagnosis, and I am so grateful every single day for all my efforts. They were worth every bit of it. Take care, you guys. It's time to eat.
And best of health, it's time to eat.